I'm Jeff Law with SmartSense LED. Today we're here talking about the EZ Builder LED Retrofit Kit. The kit's designed to be the most economical way to retrofit a 2x4, a 1x4, or a 2x2 panel from fluorescent tubes to LED lighting. The kit's going to come with a series of 2-foot strips that connect together to become a 4-foot, 6-foot, 8-foot strip. It's going to come with a driver, that's where your energy savings happens, that matches the strips. And typically, we're going to save you at least 50% energy savings from your fluorescent installation to get you into LED. Now, what makes our kit unique is this strip kit can be installed in a 2x2 or connected to be installed in a 2x4, make a series of 4-foot strips. And it also has quick terminated disconnects. The wiring is easy, it's just plug and play. And today we're going to retrofit one of the panels here for demonstration purposes to show you just how easy it is to install. Just a couple things to note about the EZ Builder Retrofit Kit. The strip kit is DLC listed and it's covered by a 5-year manufacturer warranty, which is SmartSense LED. So we're going to show you just how easy it is to retrofit this 2x4 panel with our EZ Builder LED Retrofit Kit. Open it up. Now we've removed the existing ballast and tubes. Now we're going to install our driver. The driver has double back tape on it to help hold it in place. Once you get the driver installed, you have a quick disconnect board. Same thing, peel the back. Stick it in place. Then it's time to put a cover. Once you stick the board in place, then it's time to put the cover back on. For this installation, we're going to be using the 6-strip kit for 4-foot tubes. Just connect the kit, strips like you've seen before, and set them in place. As you can see, the magnet's going to hold the strips in place for ease of working overhead. And just plug in the strips. And you're done. We do recommend that you put a couple sheet metal screws, one at the end, one in the middle, and one at the other end to hold it in place for longevity. This installation just lasts you 15 to 20 years. And now we've gone from a 4-foot tube fluorescent panel to our 6-strip kit, and we've taken them from 128 watts down to 48 watts. So we saved you about 60% in energy savings. Let's turn it on. So now that you see we have the LED in this panel, and we have your T12, and those are brand new tubes over there. Obviously we got a little flicker still, the ballast is a little bit old, but you can see the amount of light being put out by 48 watts of LED EZ Builder strip kits. The panel on the right is still fluorescent T12, 34 watts apiece. So you got 68 watts in this panel, plus ballast draw. Over here, we're drawing 48 watts total consumption, and you see how much more light the LED EZ Builder Retrofit Kit puts out. As you can see, LED saves you money and gives you a better quality of light.